coming to you live from Tampa Bay, Florida, where a monsoon seems to have taken place. Tornado warnings everywhere. Tornado sirens going off. In the middle of doing yard work, out of nowhere, this thing hits. As you can see, across the street in the neighbor's yard, there is debris. I mean, this thing just crept out of nowhere. The gusts of wind probably going maybe a good solid, maybe 110 miles per hour. That's the last that came in on my measurement tomography thing, majiggy. But as you can see, it's really coming down, and cats and dogs. And the neighbor does tend to keep some stray cats across the street, so it's probably truly coming down like stray cats. They're probably in the other neighbor's yard, maybe a couple miles down. As you can see, another gust is coming through, and it's just really like it's uncontrollable. I can't really keep my breath. The storm is so dangerous, and I'm really taking one for the team here, because at any second a gust could lift me and just take me at any second. I would have loved to have reported to you and answered questions for you. Oh my goodness. However, it happened so fast, and you know how that goes. I think we're in between a gust right now. There is some potential for the tree across the street to come down. I fucking hate that tree. I hope it comes down. I just don't want it to come down on anybody. I probably will have pneumonia, because I already have a cough. I have a duty. I have a duty to make sure that I report what's going on. Come on, let's go around the house and see what's happening. Thunder. Look, there's a cord on the ground. I don't know where that cord came from. That cord was not there. See it? There's a cord that is no longer of any use. Let's look around. Come on. If I stand here, it's a little more dramatic, but that's because it's simply water coming off the roof. Hold on, it's getting in my eyes. Hold on. Woo! Hold on, here we go. Look at this. It's really pouring now. It's coming down something awful. Hang on. Oh my God, there's chairs everywhere. Well, we're nice beach chairs are ruined. Hang on. Look at the water coming down. It's pouring. It's flipping pouring. Oh my God, this shit's cold. I can't. Hang on. It's pretty back there. You guys, I'm gonna get pneumonia. Look, we have some flooding. I have dirty hands from doing yard work, but I also have asthma. That's why I'm wheezing. Okay, I think the worst is over. I'm glad that you guys could be there with me. I can't breathe, but this has been a live news report all the way from Tampa Bay, Florida. Gina Smith checking in with you. Peace out, bitches.